Dear students, today we will learn about the practical of speed control of DC motor by armature control method. In this, supply voltage is 220 volt, that is a mains positive and negative, that is DC supply. Now in the circuit diagram, this LFA is a 3-point starter. Now mains positive is connected to the L, that is line terminal line point of a 3-point starter. Field ammeter in series with the rheostat in series with the field winding. So F is nothing but a field point, and in which field winding is connected, and before that a rheostat is added in series with the field winding and ammeter is added. Then ammeter and rheostat is connected in series with the armature. A voltmeter is connected parallel with the armature. So N is proportional to EB by pi. EB can be written as V minus IA into RA plus R1 by pi. Now, when R1 increases, that is, uh, this is the relation N is proportional to EB by pi. EB will be given as V minus IA into RA plus R1 upon pi. So R1 increases, here R1 increases, this drop IA into RA plus R1 increases, V minus IA into RA plus R1 decreases, because if this drop increases, the complete value will be decreases, and this complete value is nothing but the EB. So EB is decreases, and so EB decreases, speed is directly proportional to EB, speed will be decreases. Now if we discuss the characteristics, or if we plot the characteristics between speed and IA, so as the I R, we may V IA or VA. Here IA or VA. If we draw the characteristics in between IA and VA, sorry, speed and IA or speed or VA, the characteristics is in this way, that as the VA goes on increases, the speed goes on decreases, or as the IA goes on increases, speed goes on decreases. So this is nothing but the speed characteristics. Now let us discuss the let us discuss in this practical in V labs, virtual labs. So for that we use the we open the browser. In this we write here electrical machine 1 virtual lab. Here we select plabs.co.in. Here electrical machine lab. In this list of experiment, now our today's aim is speed control of DC motor by armature resistance control. This is the aim to study the speed control of DC shunt motor by armature control method and draw the graph between armature voltage and motor speed by varying the armature voltage. So procedure we already know, and here the simulation, and here we start a simulation page. Again the connection is similar to the field control method. Now here we this negative point is nothing but a positive. Here we consider it is a positive, and positive is considered as a negative as far as our diagram point of view. So similar to the, as we discussed in the previous circuit diagram, we have to connect it. Now the here positive of the MCB is connected to L as like a diagram. Then field point, F is the field point of a starter. So field point is first connected to the ammeter, then positive, ammeter negative is connected to the rheostat, field rheostat. Field rheostat negative is connected to F1. So F in between F1 and M2 there is a field winding is present internally. Now F2, that is second of the field winding, is connected to the negative of the MCB. So this is a complete close connection of a field winding. Then for the armature is directly connected to the rheostat positive. Rheostat negative is connected to the armature A1. Armature A2, armature A2 is connect armature A2 is connected to the negative of the MCB. Now, positive of the voltmeter is connected to the A1. Now, negative of the voltmeter is connected to the again MCB negative, and negative of the rheostat and positive of the voltmeter is also connected. So here, so this is nothing but our complete connection, and this is a rotor part inside the part inside the motor, that is a rotor. Here we check the connection. Click on the check, so we get the message that connection is correct or correct connection. Here, okay. Now, when the now corrections are okay, now we switch on the mains. Here, mains is switch on. Now, when we switch on the mains, it deflects the voltage 220 volt across the armature of the motor, and the current is 0.8 ampere, that is a field current. Okay. Now, in this we have to vary the voltage across the armature and get the various speed. Now, at 220 volt, the speed is 1360. We add in the table, observation table, first reading, that is two for the 220 volt is 1360. Now, here we vary the rheostat, that is armature rheostat. Here, we move armature slider. Now the voltage, when the resistance, when the here resistance increases, the current, sorry, when resistance here decreases, here resistance increases, and when the resistance increases, current will be decreases, and hence the voltage drop is decreases. Sorry, when the resistance decreases here, current increases, voltage drop increases, and voltage drop increases, the voltage across the armature will be decreases, so we get that less voltage, but the field current remains constant. Now again we add the second value to the observation table. Now again we move the slider. Again, resistance value decreases, current increases, voltage drop increases, so voltage across the armature will be decreases. Now it is, but the again field remains constant, and speed will be decreases. Again we add it to table. Similarly, we goes on increasing the value of resistance. Resistance value increases, the drop will be increases. Again we add. Again we increase the value of resistance. Again, resistance increases, voltage increases, the drop will be increases. So voltage across the armature will be decreases, and speed will be decreases. You can add to table. Last reading, that again we move the slider. Here 120 volt means voltage across the armature decreases, speed will be decreases. So if we observe this observation table, now when the voltage goes on decreases, voltage across, this is the voltage across the armature. When the voltage across the armature goes on decreases, the speed of the motor goes on decreases. Now if we plot the curve in between speed and voltage, now we will get this curve. From this curve, that it is observed that when the voltage is goes on increases, the speed goes on increases. Okay, or we may say when the voltage goes on decreases, the speed is also decreases. So this is nothing but the speed control by armature control method. Okay, thank you.